Where'd the kitty cat go? It had it. Oreo, where are you? Round 2. Where'd it go? Kitty cat. Ha ha ha. Looks like you won. Ha ha ha. You can go show off your prize. Hey, hey, hey. Don't bring it to us. We don't want it. Go kill it in the yard. We don't want it in here. Go, go, go. Don't lose him. Let me sit down here. Where'd you go? Oreo. Meow. Oreo, go play with him. Yeah, don't lose him now. Where'd he go? Don't tell me you lost him. Oh, never mind. You got him in his mouth. Hey, never mind. Kitty, let me see the lizard. Let me see him. Where is he? Is that him right there? Meow. Let me see him, kitty cat. Oreo. Oh. Did you kill him? Gosh darn it. There he is. Move your head, Owen. Oh. For Pete's sake. Is he still... He's still squirming, isn't he? Ha ha ha. Oh no, he ran. Go get him. Go get him. Haha. That's your training for rats and gophers, okay? Hey, hey, where are you going? Oh no. Kitty cat. Let's see if we can see him. Nope. Where is he? Oh, you got him back? Get him away from me. I don't want him. Give him to me, he'll jump out and run away. You're dragging him by the tail. I feel bad for this lizard almost. Like, it's... Like, this has gotta be terrible. Oh. The horror. Kitty cat playing with a lizard. Let's get down on the ground and see what the kitty has to say. Interview with the kitty. What you saying? Hey. Let's interview the brutal kitty. What you saying? What you gotta say? Oh, kitty cat? Don't play with your food.